For inserting resource units, we select the resource. Then, from View tab, select Detail. Okay, here, Sama is going to work 2 days and each day 8 hours. So in total, she will work 16 hours. And she's working 100%. That's correct. I want to select procurement this time. We have materials. How many bricks should we use here? I open the Excel file. In the resource assignment section, I find bricks. It is 3.5 cubic meters. Back to Microsoft Project. Select bricks unit and delete the default and insert 3.5 cubic meters. That's it. When I press on OK, the work also changes. We have concrete. Again, I open the Excel file, which I have prepared. It is 2 cubic meters. Come back to Microsoft Projects and type 2 cubic meter. That's it. It is the way to insert the amount of each resource. I've just entered 2 resources. The rest is your homework. There will be nothing new. Just try yourself like what I did here. Okay, the purpose of inserting the amount is to calculate the cost. Let's see what I mean. Calculate cost. After inserting the amounts, Microsoft Project calculates the costs automatically. For seeing the cost, right-click on one of the columns and insert column. Here, select cost. So here you can see the cost of each activity and the total cost of this project. Just pay attention. I've inserted just 2 items of procurement. The rest is your homework. The next step is to get the baseline and updating. But I want you to try all these steps yourself and be familiar with the Microsoft project. We will cover all steps in detail, including baseline and update scenarios in the next lessons.